So, you're probably wondering how I got myself here. Well, here's the story goes. Late Sunday night, crazy week, Craft Junior. Like, let me go get a couple of drinks for the club. Around this time, man, Dada Baya. You know what? Gotta go try one more drink. Don't know about 10, don't know pull it down. And my goodness, this was probably gonna be the worst decision I've ever made. Well, I had made a couple. Shorty comes through, she's like, yo, what are you doing? Garama? Don't go to one or two, my drinks not cool it down. She's like, so what are you doing after? I'm like, yeah. Maybe we can go to my house, chew a couple of drinks. She's like, yeah, cool, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Probably this is gonna be my worst decision ever.
munoronga naika pandinorima munokohwa naika munofara ndawisiro pasi naika aiwa mabaiwa ndinochembera kwamuriya tura imitora inorema ishesa masimba andimbokodzera baba ndaikodzera kuomberwa nevakandimaka pandopenya baba ndaikodzera kumira panzvimbo yakapikirwa inoyera aiwa mbiri kwamuri mwe amutsvene mutungamiri hamutisiye nyangwe zvidini pandasvika pano handisirini mukandisiya ndodini pamamonya ndipo pandiri